Greetings to all. I am Professor Aldo Drago from Malta, and I will be presenting you highlights on how blockchain technology offers the potential of organizing and serving data streams using disruptive, innovative concepts that can unleash the power of data like never before and bring deep rooted transformations in the evolving digital ecosystem. As a preamble, I must say that data is more comprehensive than just ocean observations, entailing all data aspects and types, encompassing data on assets, on operations, on performance and logistics, covering data over the widest imaginable spread of scales and categories, including at the citizen individual level. Indeed, we are all producers of data. In its full expression, data entails all those inputs that compose information and generation of knowledge, providing quantitative measures and controls of assessments, experiences, and performances of our very different and broad daily actions. Data provides the essential ingredients for our informed and calculated decisions, choices, and actions. The greatest bottleneck, however, is data sharing. Unofficially, it is estimated that the world generates 16 zettabytes of data each year, and this is expected to double by 2023. But only 1%, just 1%, is analyzed. The problem is that data is often withheld by the data collectors or kept in hard to reach or exclusive repositories, does not flow automatically to users and in machine readable form, not interoperable, and data remains untapped and scarce. But in a knowledge based society and the digital age, we know that data is what composes success and excellence, procuring large economic returns. Indeed, data has been considered by many to be sort of a new age oil wealth. So imagine all these data becoming instantly available to everybody. Data scientists will no longer be limited to access the quality data they need to support neural network models, AI algorithms, decision making, building services, or data products. This slide is an impression of how, in the near future, we expect data to be unlocked from what are called data commons, consisting of distributed, connected data hubs or marketplaces, churning large volumes of data for which we shall be searching like we do today on maps for restaurants or commodities or services. Only that these marketplaces will not be physical, but residing in the virtual space of the digital ecosystem. They allow data to be automatically pooled, exchanged through connected machines, accessed and managed by smart devices to be used and reused by many data product developers and service providers, stakeholders, as well as by individual private users. And this is where blockchain comes in. As shown in this slide, blockchain and the distributed ledger technology are better known for introducing a digital payment and peer-to-peer monetary transaction system. The power of blockchain lies in its decentralized architecture, permitting transitions to be shared openly across independent nodes without the need of third-party endorsements, and verified by encrypted checksums that give each closed block a distinct, unique, and indelible signature and content. Transactions are logged in a nest of blocks that keep a detailed trace of all the interlinked transitions, all connected in a web of different layers chained in a common system and making hampering practically impossible. The exciting attribute is that DLT and the blockchain protocol can be used for non-currency purposes too, boosting a disruptive technology that is changing our many established ways of doing things, including data exchange and sharing. Through what is called the Ocean Protocol, blockchain provides a solution to deal with data objects in place of monetary transactions, promising to unleash the full power of data to curb the demand of emerging data-hungry users. Ocean is an open source protocol to exchange and monetize data and data-based services. The Ocean software enables data exchange, linking users who need data or do not have resources to store it with those who have resources to spare. In the traditional data systems, an organized inflow and outflow of data is executed through centralized databases, with central entities compiling and aggregating large chunks of data to serve users with products. Users may not have access, however, to primary data, which they may need to use and compile in a different way and for a different use. The result is that users remain data hungry. With the blockchain concept, the Ocean protocol specifically powers a decentralized system composed of data markets which are equivalent to distributed point-to-point databases. It implements Ocean smart contracts attached to each data object to provide valid links to the data, its description, and further additional metadata. The data flow relies on a system of collective mutual verification and qualification. Payments for data exchanges are also part of the solution. The system further enables data transactions without the need of a central authority to formalize mutual trust between parties, providing solutions for machine executable data flows. With blockchain, a data commons architecture comes into action, made of connected data marketplaces from where data is freely unlocked and pooled to be used and reused by many, while it carries with it the value and wealth that grows with the data itself, bringing back economic returns to both the original data providers, to the data product developers, and the service providers. If a client wants to buy a new dataset, the link is made to the favorite data marketplace to match the data request, knowing that this search, however, links to the entire ocean of available data, not just a fraction of it. Specialized services can still be delivered from specific dedicated marketplaces, which will actually avail of more data resources without, however, restricting primary data access to users that do not seek their service. The exploitation of the blockchain protocol offers full liberalization of data flow and networks, removing the need for central intermediaries to put data in circulation, open the data flow to many providers, provide equal level ground to data producers and users across the board, and democratizes the flow and access to data while producers are able to keep ownership and be rewarded for their data contributions. Thank you for listening, and my contacts are given in this slide for those who would like to consult me further on this topic. Thank you.